which I'd like to retract. A lot of those. But this one in particular was I said that honor died in World War II, which has a certain amount of truth to it. But tonight, I must say, I feel greatly honored and to see so much talent in all these beautiful and individuated performances of my music. And Brian is the musical director of the band, is stellar, and they're so good to hear anything, and yet brought something of their own to it. I'm deeply honored and very happy, and well, I've been kind of out of it for about a decade. I mean, struggling with health problems, and well, I'm doing well, and I'm here, but I haven't written much, but I was stuck in D.C. with the rain, you know, and I love D.C., don't get me wrong. I have a home there, part of the year I lived there. When a page out of Emily Carr's book came to mind that I just loved, in a book called Hundreds and Thousands, there's a scene where she has this trailer that she called the Elephant, and it was a gypsy trailer of sorts with a canvas roof, and she would have to have a friend tow her into place with it. So I've seen pictures of it. It's very skinny, like a gypsy wagon, with like a tent top on it, and a flap that came out with a couple of posts, so she had a terrace, so to speak, on the side, and she would build her fire there. And in this particular vignette, she has brought with her two sheepdogs. She raised sheepdogs, and her monkey was tethered in a tree, and the rain just keeps coming, and she's trying to be on this painting expedition, and things are not going well. So stuck in the rain in D.C., this prose came back to me, and I kind of stuck it into a rhyme like I did Job or, you know, Corinthians, and, you know, I just kind of made it into something. And I wasn't sure if I could sing tonight. I'm still not sure if I could sing. I'm going to try it, but this I'm going to recite because it doesn't have a melody really yet. And this is called This Rain, This Rain. Is this the wettest place on earth? My little fire is sputtering. Oh, now my hot water bottle's gone and burst. And I'm mean rattle. And I'm muttering. Soggy biscuits. Boggy sheets. The bucket brimming with a can of sweets. I smack my dogs for muddy feet. Oh, this rain will not be true. That painting I made yesterday, who would want to look at it? It's just a mess of greens and grays. I threw a stupid look at it. I'd hoped to capture tree souls in the paint. Oh, it's for idiots and saints. My dreams, they're complete. Oh, this rain will not retreat. me too. If I was nicer, less astute, less compelled to spew the truth. For truth is seldom soft and sweet. And this rain, this rain, this rain, this rain will not be true. Make me sick. Except New York. I don't know why. Big buildings stretching up brick by brick. Like my cedar groves, they scrape that sky. It doesn't rain like this back there. Oh, it rains enough, just enough to wash the air and sweep a little litter off the street. But this rain did not retreat. She's been dead for quite some time. Most of these words are hers, but some are mine. I made them mine.